Here in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up CarPlay and how to configure your audio. So what you're gonna wanna do is on your main screen, you're gonna come to Settings, Phone Connection Settings, and make sure you enable wireless connectivity. Go ahead and take out your iPhone, open up Settings, and come to the Bluetooth menu. When the new Hamilton device appears, click on it. A pairing code will pop up. You can ignore it, just click Pair. Click Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And if you get a message that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. Just like that, CarPlay functionality will automatically open. How cool. One important point to note, CarPlay initiates with a Bluetooth connection, and then it switches over to a proprietary Wi-Fi connection similar to the way AirDrop works. This means you may see the Bluetooth on your phone show connected and then go disconnected. As long as you're seeing CarPlay and your music is streaming, the device is absolutely working as it's intended to. Don't forget, long holding that menu button for 3 seconds at any time will bring you back to the factory screen. And when you want to play music out of Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, or any app in CarPlay, you need to be in aux mode. Of course, if you'd rather listen to your satellite radio and have navigation only showing in CarPlay, that's totally fine. If you have questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890.